Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. First of all, I want to give you a brief recap of what we have done in the part 1 of this ocean environment project. Well, we have learned how to create the basic project, how to set up the basic lighting and this ocean and this landscape. In this chapter, we will learn how to download the different 3D assets from Quixel Bridge or from the marketplace and use them in our project. So let's get started. First of all, I want to show you some properties for this ocean. I have changed some properties for this ocean. I have worked it so much. So here is the water body ocean and you need to go down and there is the water waves asset. Just double click it and these are the settings I have changed. You can use this one if you want so, or you can create your own one. It all depends on your own project, but this is the best settings for my project. Okay, so just close it down. You can use them or you can make your own. Okay, now we need to put some 3D assets like the cliffs, the mountains. So we will start to build our project. First of all, you need to have a 3D asset pack that comes in the Unreal Marketplace, and this is the Nordic Coast Collections. Okay, and you just need to type this in the search bar and you will find this one, and then you need to select to add to project and just you need to scroll down when you find your project. This is my project ocean environment and just click it and add to project. I won't add this one because I already did that, so you can just click the add to project and then it will add to your project. Okay, just open your content browser and just go to the contents and you can find the geometry folder here where it is. This is the geometry folder and just go to the assembly and these are all the assets we have. First of all, we need the cliffs. Whenever I start the project, I will try to complete the large details first, then I will go to the medium ones and then I will go to the smaller details. You can do it any way you want, but I like this way. So these are the large 3D assets. You can use them in any way you want. For first of all, I would like to use this one. Oh gosh, it's too big. Okay, the shortkeys for the moving and rotation of the objects is so simple. You just need to press W and you can move them around. Like this is forward and then this, and you can go up. If you want to rotate them, just press E and you can rotate the objects like this. Okay, and if you want to scale them down or scale them up, just press R, and you can just, if you want to scale them in a uniform way, just click on this one and you can do this. Okay, and if you want to scale them in a specific direction, you can just choose that direction and just press it down or press it up. Okay, so here it is. So first of all, we need to move this here and just place it like this. Maybe I will scale it down. And just, so there is the mannequin. We put the mannequin so we can see the height of this cliff. It seems a bit large, so you can just disable the snapping and the grid. Just move it down and move this forward, and you can rotate them. If you want to copy this asset, just hold Alt and just drag this down and you will have another copy. You can rotate it. And scale it down. I will just fast forward. Now I'm just repeating the same thing. I'm just selecting the cliff I want and just putting them in our scene, and I'm just rotating them and scaling them, and I'm just repeating the same thing. So I will go for the fast forward. Okay guys, we are done with the 3D assets for the cliffs, and we have put some trees beneath our ocean, and it looks good, it looks beautiful. Okay, if you want to change the direction of the sun, you can just hold Ctrl and L and you can move the direction of the sun like this way. Okay. Okay, we need to use some assets for this coastline, and it's so easy. Just go to the assembly and you can find the ground, and here are all the ground 3D assets you need to use. I'm just fast forwarding now. It's just repeating the same steps just again and again. Okay guys, we are done setting up our cliffs. We have used some rocks for our coastline. Now we will go to the medium details and we put some pebbles here and some other smaller details here as well. Before that, I want to show you something. We need to put the post process volume in our project. For that, just go to this plus sign and go to the visual effects, and this is the post process volume. Just drag them down in your project. Here it is. For the properties, you need to find the infinite unbound. This is the infinite extend unbound, but it really does is just extend the effect of the post process volume to the entire map, not just this box. If you don't tick the infinite extent unbound, then it will only affect only in this box. So we need to tick this one. After that, we will go up to the properties and then scroll down until we find bloom. Okay, just tick the method, and I like the convolution method. It's just bit good. It's just less lighter, and you can see that the standard is way too light, and if you just go to the convolution, it's just bit dark. If you don't want to use the bloom, it's totally up to you. Okay, the next thing, we need to scroll down and we need to go to the exposure and we need to go to the manual. This all turned black because we need to set our exposure compensation, and it's just like, I will go for the 9 for now. Okay, so here is our evening time for our scene. There is one important thing I want to mention right here. So just don't go for the bigger landscapes or just to use too many assets and too many foliage. Ultimately your project will start to lag. Just try to make a smaller, a compact landscapes. Use the minimum 3D assets. So if you do that, if you go to the max settings for your lumen and the reflections, then your project will not lag. Otherwise it will lag so bad. So you have to take care of your GPU memory. This engine is so GPU consuming, so just try to take care of it. For that, this is our post process volume, and we need to go down, and where you find the intensity of lens flares, just put it to 1. We will put it to 1. We can change it later on, and then go down where you find the, I just forgot the name. Yep, the global illumination. Just tick this one, and this is the lumen. Here are all the lighting settings. These are all the lighting quality settings. For the take this one, this is the lumen scene lighting quality is set to 1. Just go for the max is 2. This is the lumen scene detail. Just go for the max 4, and just tick this one, and the final gather quality, just go to the 2. Okay, we don't need to change that, and go down where you find the reflections. These are the reflections. Go for the lumen quality should be max, that is 2. Ray tracing and high quality transparency reflections, just take this. Okay, so I have gone to the max settings for our lighting, and my project is still working fine because my project is small. I didn't use much of the landscape, and I use the minimum 3D assets for this. So this is pretty important for you, so try to take care of this. Okay, after that, just go to the directional light. This is the directional light, and go up where you find the intensity. I will go to the intensity of 7 maybe. Okay, this is the 7 intensity. We will increase it after that if you want. So, and this is the important thing, the source angle. If you see, I will increase it to 10 for now. Just want to show you something. Okay, and I will put my mannequin just bit to left, and if you see the shadows, these are pretty sharp shadows and it doesn't look realistic. For a smooth shadows, just you need to go to the directional light, and this is the source angle. So just increase the source angle a bit, and you will see it's getting to smooth it down. Just don't go way too much. Your sun size will increase because of your source angle. I will show it to you. So this is your sun, and if you increase the source angle, the sun size is getting so bigger. We don't want a bigger sun. We want something that is suits to our shadows and our scene. So this looks pretty good. for now. Okay, so these are the settings you need to change, and then go to the post process volume. And okay, I don't want to change the exposure from here. We can change the exposure settings from our cinematic view. Okay, let's go to the medium details we need. For that, just go to the content browser, and to the content you will find a folder called mega scans, and you can take this static mesh. If you didn't find this static mesh here, just go here and take this static mesh, and then you will just click on it, and all the static meshes in the mega scan folders will show up. Then go down, we need the, I think we need the pebbles, and okay, these are the pebbles. We just need to just place them properly like this. You need to just disable this, and it's just moving slowly, and it's looking good. We can scale it up a bit like this. Okay, and just move it a bit down, rotate it to the right, and just okay. So just copy this one, it's pretty easy. Just click on this pebbles and hold Alt and just drag it down. Okay, I'm just fast forwarding my video for now. It's just I'm doing the same thing, so there is nothing new in that. Okay guys, we're done with using the pebbles. Now we will put some smaller rocks to our shoreline. It's just pretty easy. Just scale it down and move it like this. You can just copy this one, move it here, rotate it, and just bring it down. These are the smaller details we have. We can just so we need to do this. Okay guys, we're done with the medium details. At first we go for the large details at all these cliffs, then go for the medium ones, these pebbles, these rocks, these smaller ones, and it's all done for now. Okay, you can change anything at any point of time, so as you build up your project. So it's all done. If you want to change the rotation of your sun, just press Ctrl and L and just use this. Okay, oh gosh, it's looking so good. I love it. This engine just blows your mind. It's just so realistic. You can just see at the details of these pebbles. OMG, it's so good. I love it. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you have any questions or any queries, just feel free to contact me at any time. I will try to answer every one of yours. So just be ready for the third part. In the third part, you will learn about how to set up the basic cinematic actor camera and how to use that camera, and how will you use the sequencer for that, as we are making a cinematic video, and I will just show you everything in step by step. So thanks all for watching my video. Bye.